Hello, good day traders and all you who are attending the GKFX conference. My name is Mark Baldwin. I'm with Quantum Vision FX. We are a US-based financial training institute. It focuses in the financial markets, primarily in Forex, also futures. And we teach technical analysis, that is how to predict price action using the charts. We're working with GKFX in conjunction with them to bring you an opportunity, no matter whether you are a beginner or an advanced student of the charts and trader, to get an opportunity to get alerts that are approximately 70% accurate when used properly. And we're offering some special discounts because we're working closely with GKFX to help you to become more profitable traders. Now here is our Quantum Vision FX website. Notice underneath the saying, growing millionaires 1 week at a time. And that really is our goal. Many people want to get rich overnight. And it's just not going to happen. Just like you don't plant an oak tree, an acorn, and expect to get an oak tree. I don't know if you have oak trees in Nigeria, but whatever trees you have that are large and take a long time to grow, you don't plant the seed one day and expect next week to have a gigantic tree. And it's the same way with your trading. We help you to focus on 1 week at a time, gaining 1, 2, 3, 4% a week return, and see how that compounds out over time. So what we're doing is offering our alerts at a steeply discounted rate. Quantum Vision FX members pay $100 per month for what you will be getting for $20 per month. Now that's an introductory offer. The initial payment is going to be $30. And that helps. The extra $10 is to set up for admin fee to get you all set up. And then you'll be billed at $20 per month. That offer is for 6 months. We may choose to extend that $20 a month offer after 6 months, or it may revert back to the normal price of $100 per month. Depends how we end up by working together. My goal is not just to charge you $20 a month for alerts. My goal is to make this inexpensive enough that we can get some people interested in actually getting educated and find out how we do what we do and why we're so accurate with our alerts, so that you can start making predictions yourself. It's one thing to get alerts that are 60, 70, sometimes 80% accurate, and to start making money with that. But it's a whole other thing to find out the reason why, the education behind the alerts and how we make those decisions. And that's very rewarding as a trader when you begin to learn the foundational ways that the market moves. And so Quantum Vision FX is much more than just an alert company. We primarily focus on education, and the alerts are to help you make money while you learn. Now when you first come to the website, you're going to see this here. Click to receive our free weekly newsletter and Forex market updates, where I give a little bit of education, and that's for free, and you can be on that for the rest of your life, and it'll continue to be free. And then if you would like to get involved with the alerts, that's where we actually send out between 2 and 4 alerts per week, sometimes more, but usually 2 to 4 a week. And if you were to take trades based on those alerts, you should have no problem getting 2, maybe 4, sometimes more % weekly. This week, members, I'm getting feedback have already hit. It's Thursday right now, and this week I'm getting feedback from members that have already hit upwards of 6, 7, 8% so far this week, and we're not to the end of the week yet. So it's not unheard of to make 200-300 pips in one trade with the alerts that we send out. So now I'm going to take a minute and show you how you're going to sign up for this. When you come to this website after the conference, in this area you're going to see a peel back, and you're just going to put your cursor over that. The page is going to peel back, and there's going to be instructions there on how to sign up for your 30-day free trial. And so yes, we're giving you 30 days for free. After that, the first month will be $30, and for the next 5 months following, it will be $20 per month, and then we'll decide if we're going to extend the offer or try to move you at that point into some education so you can become a savvy trader on your own. If you would like to sign up directly for Vision FX and the education, I encourage you to watch these videos here. This is must-watch videos. There's 4 or 5 videos there, and I go over some of our trades and the percentages, anywhere from 4% on weekly trades on up to 20% a week. I show one video how I made 20% in a week, and that's definitely aggressive trading, but it is possible. But we're going for consistency, and if you can make 2 to 4% a week consistently, you'll be in great shape in a couple of years. So I encourage you to go to the site, read some things over. If you'd like to go ahead and just get signed up for the education, that's no problem. Or if you just want to dip your toe and go for the alerts, that's fine too. And definitely sign up for our weekly newsletter. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to take a look at some of the alerts just from this week, and then I'm going to show you a couple of counts so you can see the compounding effect, and then we'll get you turned back over to the moderator of the conference, and you folks can make your decisions to move on if you like. Hope you all have had a great day, and be back just in a sec for the second part of this video. Okay, I want to show you here on the pound yen where we sent out an alert. We sent out an alert in this area that we were going to begin looking for an opportunity to buy. Now, when I send alerts, I send out a predictive alert saying that we have a buy or a sell that's coming up. And then I send out another alert to say at this point, if we break this resistance or support level, we're looking to get into the market. So this green box area is where I sent out originally that we were looking for a buy position. I'm going to drop down to a lower time frame here. And I'm going to show you where we actually went long. It was quite a while ago here. So I broke this down into some Elliott wave patterns, wave 1, 2, 3, and 4, which I'll teach you in our educational packages. And then I told people that we're expecting a retrace back down into the top of this wave, and when we get there and break this trend line, to go ahead and buy. And so then at that point I sent out an alert that said to go ahead and buy the pound yen. Now I'm going to take you to Quantum Vision FX and show you the timestamp on that alert. Okay, right here I'm in the members forum where I placed this alert, and this was on November 13th at 5:05 a.m. That's Eastern time, and right now it's November 15th, so this was 2 days ago. Buy yen, or pound yen buy opportunity short term. So I'm going to click that, and there's a picture of me right there. And good morning, traders. A pound yen is nearing a short-term buy that may extend into a long-term position if price level 125 is not broken. I'm looking for a buy between 125.85 and 126.05 for a fifth wave up with a minimum target at 127.00. Okay, back to the charts. Okay, notice here 125.85 and 126.05. Let's bring up the pound yen. 126.05. And 125.85. So there's 126.06, and there's 125.85. So see right in here, this is my orange rectangle, and that's 126.05 is the blue line, 125.85-ish is the red line, and I said I'm looking for a buy right in there. When this actually, we broke this trend line is when I took my buy, and notice how many pips we made. Let's go out to the 1 hour candle now. So from the break, basically, of this blue line, that was 282 pips. Now, if you had $10 lots in there, that's $2,800. Okay, if you had $1 lots, pips, then that's $280. So you can see there's some profit in there, and that was just one alert this week. We also put an alert out on the Euro Yen and on the Aussie Canadian for a sell. And you can see the Aussie Canadian. I recommended at the break of this blue line right here to go ahead and get in on a sell. That was also a break of trend line. We had divergence, and so far at the break of that, we are up about 75 pips. So that was another alert that was sent out for this week. So there is definitely some profit here. We are about 70% accurate, and could be even more depending on how you decide to qualify your trade. We give predictive alerts. We recommend how you qualify those trades, but really that's up to you because you're the one pulling the trigger. Okay, let's take a quick look at a couple of accounts so I can show you the compounding effect that we're used to. Okay, here's an account of a trader that works with us and actually is responsible for putting out some of the alerts. And this is his account. I want you to notice the date here. This started January 18th. This account was over 3 weeks. I just want to show you the compounding effect. Started with a deposit of $5,000. And down in the fours. Okay, we got it down into the fours here. Now here, back up into the $6,000 range. Staying in the sixes. I'm going through this fast, I know. $7,000, started at 5, there's a $2,000 gain. So then we jump down back in the sixes, sevens, and this is 3 days later. Okay, so from 5,000 to 7,000. Now, there's a lot of trades in here, and the reason I'm showing you two different accounts, this one has a lot of trades, and the other account I'm going to show you does not have as many. It's over a 4-month period. But this is what we'd call a scalping account. The other one is more position trading. But I just want to show you what's possible with our alerts. Now, these are our advanced alerts. These are not what you'll be getting, but they will be available to you later, back in the 7,000s again. Now this account looks like it's going up and down a lot, but again, see, this is only 5 days, and we're up into the mid 7,000s. And that's what trading is. It's win-loss, win-loss, win-loss. Okay, that's it for that. So that account closed, or that report was about 7,000. And here we start the 7. Okay, here's the 8,000 range, 126. This is 8 days later, so $3,000 in 8 days on a $5,000 account. Staying in the 8,000 range for a bit, back down to the 7. Win-loss, win-loss, win-loss. Never break below 7. Now we're back up into the 8s. A lot of trades, again, scalping, high 8s, 9s. We just hit 9,000, 2. Okay, so that's about, what is that, 14 days? Hit 9,000, 9,300. Here we hit 10,000. And this is February 3rd. Okay, notice these small losses, $3, $2, and then $35 gain, $35 gain, $74 gain. Bam, win, 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 win. $14 loss, $22 loss. Notice that the losses typically are smaller than the gains are, and that's what we call risk to reward ratio. You can see that in here too. $36 loss, $59 gain, $116 gain, $144 gain, $12 loss. The parentheses are losses. $4 gain, $9, $18, $22 loss. $120 gain, $75 gain, $10 loss, $18 gain. So the losses are small typically for the gain. That's called risk to reward ratio. The alerts that I'll send out to you, if you'll be risking, say, $10 to gain $30 or $40. That's a risk to reward ratio. Okay, $11,000. Drop back down to 9, then 10. So we have a lot of losses, a lot of wins. I want to show you the end of this account. We got up in the $12,000 range right there, staying in the 12. And the end of this account is $12,600. I think that's the end. Yeah. Okay, here's the end. $12,500, and that is on 2/13. We started on 1/18, so approximately just over 3 weeks. And the gain from 5,000 to 12,000, if you do the math on that, it's about 154% in just over 3 weeks. Now that is an aggressive scalping account, but that is somebody that works for our company, and that is possible. Now I'm going to show you another account that is more of a position trading. This is 2 to 3 trades a week over the period of a month, and the gains are not as aggressive, but they're much more doable for people who are just learning to trade. It's doable for people that are placing a few trades per week, is what we encourage you to do also with our alert system. Okay, here's a longer term trading style. This is a gentleman that also works with our company, and he also sends out alerts. And start with $10,000. Now again, I want you to notice on here the small risk. Just look over to the right side here, different style account, but look at the small drawdowns as we get into this. $25, just a $10,000 account, minus $8. Small gains, small losses right now, depending on what kind of trading you're doing and what the market's doing at the time. And look at all these wins. $37, $40, $70, okay, $28, $22, $125 gain, $19 loss, a $19 loss, $155 gain, $2 loss, $131 gain. Now what you're seeing here is typical of a man who's got a lot of control in his trading, a lot of discipline, and we teach you that. Minus $29, gain of $2, $55, gain of $188, gain of $248, loss of 90 cents. So you can see this small downside risk. Now here is an $82 loss, $77, but we saw all these. Here's a $100 gain. So these are kind of one-to-one. As we just continue, $156 gain, $36 loss. So I'm just going to show you, we're short on time here, so I want to move through this. I want to respect your guys' time so you can get back with your moderator. Close profit loss, $4,331. Okay, here's the equity curve of this account. Started at 10,000, moved up to 14,000, and as you can see over here, I'm not going to get into all the details of what all this other stuff means, but $10,000 deposit, trades closed out, 4,300 profit. That's $14,588 in total profit in this account. So that's 45% return, and this was over a 4-month period. Okay, so that's about 11% a month, and that is easily doable, and you can expect to do that with our alerts. And you saw how there was low drawdown for the risk that was encountered. Even right here, you can see near the end of this account, minus $23 loss, $86 loss. But look, this $162 gain, $745 gain. This is great risk rewards that this gentleman is trading in this account. Okay, so that's it. That's what I wanted to share with you. Once again, my name is Mark, QuantumVisionFX.com. We like to teach about predict when analyzing, qualify when executing. If you get with us, we'll teach you what that means. I do send out with the alerts a little bit of education. So go ahead and get with Jerry. He's a great trader. We've been working with each other for quite a while now. We work together to send out the alerts. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's very skilled in Elliott Wave and harmonics, and we work close together. We talk pretty much every day, and so get with him, learn what you can. Hope to see you on the other side in our alert program. Until then, God bless.